So, what happens if the tool we pick doesn't work well for us?
Great question. Sometimes companies choose the wrong tool because they don't evaluate their needs properly. That's why we need to assess tools carefully before committing. All right, Bob, we've covered almost everything, but before we wrap up, let's talk about test tools and automation. These can make our lives much easier if used correctly.
Oh, I've heard about test automation. People say it saves a ton of time. So do we just grab a tool, click some buttons, and let it do all the work?
Not quite. Simply getting a tool won't magically fix everything. Each tool requires setup, training, and maintenance. There are plenty of benefits like reducing repetitive work, avoiding human errors, and getting faster feedback. But there are also risks.
Like what?
For starters, unrealistic expectations. Some teams think automation will replace all manual testing, but that's not true. Critical thinking, exploratory testing, and human intuition are irreplaceable. Then there's the cost. Some tools are expensive, and maintaining automation scripts takes time and effort.
So what happens if the tool we pick doesn't work well for us?
Great question. Sometimes companies choose the wrong tool because they don't evaluate their needs properly. Maybe it doesn't integrate with their existing systems, or maybe the vendor stops supporting it. That's why we need to assess tools carefully before committing.
That makes sense. But if we do it right, test automation can really improve efficiency, right?
Exactly. With the right approach, we can run tests more consistently, get objective assessments, and detect defects earlier. The key is balancing automation with manual testing and continuously improving our approach.
Wow, I've learned so much throughout this journey. From quality fundamentals to risk management, defect tracking, and now automation. It's been eye-opening.
I'm glad to hear that, Bob. Testing isn't just about finding bugs. It's about delivering quality software, ensuring reliability, and ultimately making a difference in people's lives.
You know, I never thought testing could be this impactful. But now I see that behind every great software, there are testers making sure everything runs smoothly. It's inspiring.
That's the spirit. Testing is more than just a job. It's a responsibility. We help build trust in technology, and that's something to be proud of.
Thank you, Sara. I started this journey as someone who knew nothing about testing. Now I feel ready to dive into this field with confidence.
And that's just the beginning, Bob. Keep learning, keep testing, and always strive for quality. Welcome to the world of software testing.
And that's a wrap on the fundamentals of software testing journey. From Sara and Bob and everyone here at Testtactix, thank you for being part of this ride. We hope these episodes helped you level up and feel more confident navigating the testing landscape. But we're not done yet. It's time to gear up for the next adventure, test automation engineering. So hit the subscribe button, stay curious, and as always, keep testing, keep growing, and keep believing in your journey.